In this guide video, I'll show you how can you send photo from camera roll as normal snap in Snapchat. To do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Before that, make sure that the application is completely updated and then go to log into your Snapchat account. So once you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. Now here, what you want to do is, first thing first, you want to go ahead and make sure to swipe towards your left hand side until you find this explore section, or until you find this search bar at the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. So here you want to type in upload, and you could go ahead and locate any of these. Then go ahead and click on upload media. Now what next you want to do is select the photo that you want to send it as a snap. Make sure that your camera is in a correct position, and what you want to do is you want to hold on to this circle icon at the bottom of the screen, just like that, until you find the snap, and you want to go ahead and click on the arrow icon. Now you could then go ahead and send it. So I'm just going to go ahead and select it to one person and click on the arrow button. Here you could go ahead and open up the chat page, and here you could see that it is being delivered as a normal snap. So this is how you could send photo from camera roll as a normal snap. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.